Hey Dutch crew and my turtle people, welcome back to the channel, the home of no nonsense barbecue videos. Today we're going to do our first cook in the Ninja Woodfire Oven. Normally I'd do a chicken, but we're just going to take this up one. Today we're going to be doing our Christmas turkey. So come on, let's get on with it. The first thing we're going to do is make a bit of a flavoured butter. Our preferred one in this household is orange. So we're just going to zest some orange into this butter. We'll mix that in. And all we're going to do now is add some salt and pepper. Mix that in. That's our flavoured butter ready. So this is our turkey. It's about 2.8 kilos. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spatchcock this turkey. So we're just going to turn it over. We've got our gloves on. Take a pair of strong shears or a good knife and we'll just run it down the backbone. Take it down, remove the backbone. Turn this turkey over. We're going to open it out. I'm going to apply some pressure on the breastbone and just pop it open like that. The next thing I do is I take a spoon, I get under this skin here and I start working this spoon in. You can see it goes in quite easy just to release this skin. Once we've released the skin, we can go in now with our flavoured butter. So we just take a good old spoonful. Place it under the skin. Use the skin to pull it off. And now we just massage that butter all over the breast. Now, people do put it on the outside, but this way it's in on top of the meat, it flavours the meat, not just the skin. Push it in again, off the spoon, massage it down. So that's our turkey now ready to go into the wood-fired oven. For this cook, there's only one pellet we can use, and it's the Pellet Man's Turkey Blend. Open the hopper. We're going to set this to gourmet roast. Stage 1. We'll go 295. And the time 5 minutes. That'll give us the nice crisp skin. Stage 2, we're going to drop that down to I reckon 180, and the time I'm going to give it an hour and a half. I don't think we're going to be anywhere near that. We'll go wood fire and start. So our preheat's complete now. Time to add the food. We're going to tuck these wings under. Don't want them burning. We're not going to waste this orange either. We're going to put this into this little bit of a cavity here. We've got some thyme there, we've got some bay and a little bit of rosemary. Obviously that'll just steam through a little bit. We're going to use our meter plus stick here to monitor this cook, so we're just going to put it in, make sure we go past that little mark, and let's cook. And for those that do wonder about the hygiene, touching the raw turkey and that, I do wash my hands. We've got hot water out here, and then we give a good wipe down. So that's stage 1 completed. It's turned the temperature down now to 180. So while our turkey's cooking, we're going to need some size to go with it. We've just got a little pot of baby potatoes. We're going to boil these up. So I'm just going to take a look in at this. Oh, look at the colour already on that. I think what I'm going to do, I want to preserve this skin, so I might just wrap it in a bit of foil for now and then take it off for the last 10-15 minutes. Shove that back in and we'll let it go. Just kicking back, having a cup of tea while the Ninja Woodfire Oven does its thing. So this is at about 50-55 minutes now. We've got an internal temperature of 62 degrees C. It's saying I've got 20 minutes left. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up. And remove the foil. So there we are. It's saying our turkey's ready. About an hour and 15 for a 2.8 kilo turkey. Let's get it out. Just look at that. It's a thing of beauty. While our turkey's resting, we're going to roast our potatoes off. I'm just going to put on smoke, go up to about 180, time 1 hour. We've already got the smoke rolling from cooking the turkey. Press start and off we go. Okay. So in our tray we've got all the goodness from cooking that turkey, the butter and the flavour. Got some of our potatoes. Drop them in. Go with a bit of oil over the top of them. We've got this fantastic pigs in blanket. Look at the size of that. Drop that in. And then we've got some stuffing. Yeah, really pleased with the Ninja Woodfire Oven for its first outing. I think we ought to get into this and see what it tastes like. That nice turkey. I'm going to say that does taste a little bit dry. Little roast potatoes. Let's take a slice of this giant pigs in a blanket. That's real flavoursome. It's a Cumberland sausage wrapped in streaky bacon. Anything wrapped in bacon has got to be good. And finally, a little bit of our homemade stuffing. All in all, I'm 85% pleased with that turkey. We'll have to practice and get it perfect.